Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2012 Ford F-150. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels wrapped with 18-inch tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side. You have the FX4 off-road package on here. Rear backup sensors and a camera, as well as a factory trailer hitch here on the back. Taking a look at the bed, you have a Ford bed liner and a Ford soft cover on the top to keep the bed nice and safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player, dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats, four-wheel drive, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-150 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.